You ready, girls? You ready to go?
Lizzie, you want your
Where are we going?
I really want to go. I really want to go. I really want to go.
Okay, I need you to stop talking for a second.
Should the children watch too, or just
Yeah, oh yeah. I can film them watching it.
It'd be good as Amy over there. Oh, man. Amy didn't sleep last night. Oh, wow.
What you doing? What you drawing?
I'm drawing a pumpkin.
You did?
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Yeah. These minnows are tough in the morning.
Samantha's taking the fish blind approach and hiding from them. Is she gonna catch a duck? Wait, he left it. He may have taken it.
No, he didn't. And my fish is still bright and alive.
Alright,
How do you know that?
because I can see him.
I can't see it.
See how it's moving? I think you got it.
Whoa, I can see it already. Oh, it's tiny in it.
We got it, huh? Oh, wait. Oh.
What?
Up.
Dad, my line is reeling, and this is the worst time. Alright, there it goes.
Make the line tight and hit it. Wait.
Oh no, he's still at it.
Good job.
Can you see him?
Yeah, look, there's a second one. You got him like catching them two at a time. All right, wait. Woo!
Oh, he only has a fish half in his mouth.
I put the rod down.
Alright. I put the rod down.
Ew, got his fish on me. You want to kiss him?
No.
Lick him?
No.
Stick your finger in his mouth?
No.
All right. Princess Lizzie.
Try not to make too much noise. Take your flip
And we
phone
love you, Lizzie. Thank you for coming.
Wait, I got something.
All right, pull it up. Reel it in.
Oh, it's gone.
No, that's all right.
Daddy. Daddy.
Here, keep reeling in. Whoa!
Wow, I got that.
Look at that.
I got a big fish.
You got a big fish.
Yay.
Woo!
Go away, fish. Ah. You got.
There you go, baby.
No.
Want to touch him?
Okay.
Woo! Kiss him.
Okay.
All right.
Pull him way over there.
Way over there.
Yeah. Pull him. Come on.
Woo!
Good, Daddy.
All gone.
Now he's go.
All right. Help!
Whoa, I got
out.
No, it's a different fish. We just threw that other one way out there. That's a big fish.
Yeah, that's a big fish. He does fish.
Here's a big fish.
Yeah, he does.
Want to give him kisses? No. No.
I like him and cute. He's cute.
All right.
He's fat.
Don't look at him. Remember, it's like hide and seek.
He's hiding. Right here.
Okay, right there.
Yeah.
Okay, here. You take the rod.
What?
Something's got it. Something's got it. Reel it in. Reel it in.
I need
Oh,
help.
no, you don't. All right, pull it up. See if the minnow's still on there.
Come on, Daddy. I got something. I got
Oh,
something.
whoa!
He fit. I saw him.
Oh, now that is a big fish.
Yeah, that's a big fish. I have a sword.
You want to give him a kiss? Your big fish kiss?
No, he just moving.
Woo!
Ah,
You want to
oh
say
my
it?
gosh.
Yeah, give me a kiss. Oh. Give me a kiss.
Daddy.
Okay, I'm all done.
Daddy, what the heck?
What's the matter?
He just gonna die.
Well, we got to get him there in a hurry. The place isn't far away.
And then Thunder's gonna get all hurt for the sharks.
Is he still moving?
Yeah, he's
All right, here we are.
Nice one, actually.
Yeah, I was surprised.
Alright, don't bite.
Wow, £1.25?
Uh-huh.
the bacon. That's the bag.
Very nice.
How long?
Oh.
13 and a half.
Very nice. All right, Juju, let's take him down to the water. Let him go. You want to let him go?
No.
What? You want to keep him? You think he'll fit in the aquarium?
Maybe I doesn't hold him. Only I doesn't hold him.
It's hard to hold this, honey. It's heavy.
Yeah.
All right.
Right there.
Right there? Okay. All right, you want to take him out?
Yeah. I need to go in the fish.
Here.
Daddy, I need to go in my flip-flops getting wet.
That's okay. Come here. You got to get off the grass. Grass is wet. All right, you want to pick him up or you want me to pick him up?
I didn't pick him up.
Okay.
It's too heavy.
Dump it over then.
No, he's too heavy.
Okay, here, I'll grab him.
Daddy, just...
Okay, you want to kiss him goodbye?
No.
You sure? Want to touch him goodbye?
Yeah.
Bye-bye, fishy. All right.
And let's put the water out.
Oh, he went right on the dock.
It was...
What should that mean on Pop Pop?
Daddy,
Duh.
I need to hold the water and put it in the water.
Right there.